It is another warm day. Well, it's typical of summer, but I guess what we're wondering this afternoon, Carson, is when we're going to start seeing some showers.
Well, we're starting to see some already, Pat, across the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, mainly in northwest Alabama right now. And today is going to be a lot like we saw yesterday, those random pop-up showers just kind of bubbling up in completely random places, frankly. And then they'll start to taper off as we get closer to sunset later on tonight. So just keep an eye to the sky, stay weather aware. And if you are going to be outside today, stay cool because we're not going to have much in the way of relief from the heat later on. Let's zoom in on the shoals right now, tracking some of those downpours right along the Colbert and Franklin County lines, so just to the north of Russellville right now. A couple of new downpours just developed along the Franklin and Lawrence County lines as well. Zooming just off to our north across southern middle Tennessee, I've been watching this new development over Lawrence County, Tennessee, Giles County, Tennessee. This has kind of bubbled up in the last 15 minutes or so, really since we came on air at 11. And some of this activity could make its way closer to the state line in the next couple of hours, but these storms, like a lot of storms this time of year, really aren't moving a whole lot. So we're watching that heavy rain potential as we go through the day today. If you aren't seeing rain, you're seeing lots of sunshine, and those temperatures are surging. Look at the Way 31 Skycam network right now. Already close to 90 degrees in the shoals, 89 to be exact, 87 in Guntersville, 86 in Decatur, and 85 very warm degrees in Huntsville right now. Your chores outdoors for the week ahead. We're going to go yellow lights across the board. For today and tomorrow, it's more so for that chance for those thunderstorms mainly later on this afternoon, and then again tomorrow afternoon too. But by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll start to dry things out just a little bit, but those temperatures, those actual air temperatures will be in the mid to maybe upper 90s, and that's when we'll be watching the potential for dangerous heat index values as well. We'll talk about that in just a second. Here's future radar going through the next 48 hours. It's just a typical summer day across North Alabama. Seeing some of those pop-up showers already developing. They'll expand in coverage as we go through this afternoon. I'm not too concerned about severe weather today, but heavy downpours is definitely the primary concern later on. That activity starts to wane just a little bit once we get closer to sunset. We're all dry tonight, and we'll do it all over again tomorrow with more of those showers and storms bubbling up around midday, continuing through the afternoon, and we'll start to dry things out as we get towards sunset tomorrow night. Again, like I mentioned, I'm not too concerned about severe weather today, but heavy rain is definitely a good bet. That's a medium risk. Lots of lightning with these storms. They'll be very electric today, so that too is a medium risk. And one or two of the stronger storms could have some gusty winds around, let's say 30 to 40 miles per hour, but all in all, that risk is fairly low for the day today. Now, here's your feels like forecast for this afternoon. Notice those heat index values, even with those thunderstorms around, still in the lower triple digits, feeling like 101 by 2 o'clock this afternoon, and still feeling like the mid-90s later on this evening. But by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, these heat index values will be closer to 105 degrees, if not higher. So whatever you're doing this week, stay cool, stay hydrated, and take plenty of breaks in the shade, or really indoors if at all possible. 90 degrees, that's your official forecast high day, but again, it's going to feel like the lower triple digits. We dry things out midweek, we're back into the mid-90s, and then more of those pop-up showers and storms are back in the forecast this weekend. Pat?